Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna give you my first impression on the Lonerider Motobags, Overlander and mini bags. Unboxing Lonerider. Overlander 48 liters, stickers, keychain, a neck gator, neck tank. Water tank, mini bags, waterproof inner liner, Lonerider 38 liters moto bag. Inner liner 31 litri, Motobags 31 liter. First of all, I want a full disclosure. Lonerider sent me these bags, so I didn't purchase them, so I think you should be able to know it, but they didn't pay this video and I'm giving you guys my honest opinion. So let's start with the bags. So let's start with the mini bags. They are completely waterproof. It's a roll top design, so you put your stuff inside, you roll them like this, and then you close them like that. It's similar to the design I had before from Keeway, but I like this more because it has some molly system, which is universal. You can attach whatever you want. This is a inner liner. This is for the 31 liter, and this is the 48 for the 38 liter. These are essentially a roll top design. It's added security because the bags are waterproof, but this just gives you even more secure water resistance. And if you have the bags attached to your bike and they don't have a quick release system, you can remove this easily and carry your stuff and leave the soft bag attached to your bike. Now this is the hydration bladder. It's a very simple bladder. I still didn't use it, so I have no opinion on it yet. Seems okay. And this is the Overlander 48 liter bag, which is, as you can see, is soft, but if we put inside the case, it becomes a semi-rigid bag, and this is also completely waterproof with a roll top design. So this is the Lonerider Motobags. This is the 31 liter capacity, and as you can see, there is an inner lining. So this bag is actually semi-rigid. What does it mean? It means that if it gets a hit, it doesn't break like the aluminum panniers, but it's also gonna stay in the same size of an original aluminum panniers. And there are some downsides and upsides to it, which I will talk later. It's a roll top design. You roll it, close it with these latches, put it under here, and then close it like that. Then you take this and you close it on top. Pretty easy. There we go. The back, it's as you can see, a multi-purpose design. What does it mean? It means that it can fit a lot of different racks, because Lonerider doesn't provide racks. It provides this universal system that you can unscrew and just screw however you need. And this back can be detached through this screw and be completely removed, and if you need some drilling, you can drill also into this steel plate. Now, if you are like me, who bought the DesertX with its standard OEM panniers, you'll notice that you need some modification to fit the pannier. So let me walk you through it. So as you can see, I already set up one side of the bike. This is the left part, and that is the easiest part because you don't have to deal with the exhaust. Now, Lonerider recommends you have a heat shield installed to do not damage their Motobags. That means this needs to be installed. And here's the final result. It's attached with this quick release system, so you can release the bags from the bike and put it back on. But for it to work, you have to do some modification that this does not come with the standard configuration, and I will show you in a minute how I did. And the good thing about this setup is that you don't need any drilling or any modification from the original. But if you do plan to go with your pillion passenger somewhere, you do need drilling. Why? Because this part right here is not set up to be so advanced here. As you can see, it will be further back, meaning the bag will move forward, leaving less space for the pillion passenger to be comfortable with her legs or his legs. Meaning that either your girlfriend or partner has longer legs, or you need to do drilling right here for it to fit. So let's get to the setup part. We have our bag here, and I already removed some screw right here. As you can see, I already removed most of it. We still have those two to remove. Now you can use the Allen key that they give you. It's a Torx key, and it's actually pretty good fabric. But to do this faster, I have my own electric device. So we're gonna remove these two parts, and be careful because once you remove this, some plastic parts are still inside the bag. So be careful not to lose them when you remove these pieces. So once you remove all of the screw, you can take it and, oh wait, you have to remove this, I forgot about it. So start by removing these latches here. There are two on the top and two on the bottom. The bottom one are the easiest, you just remove them. You're good to go. On the top there is a secure system that is basically just two bands to keep them from falling out. So another thing is this piece, the heat shield, is recommended to not damage the bag. So we will not remove it, but we will install some additional spacers. How do we do so? We remove it, of course, and then we add a bolt, an M10 bolt that will provide enough space for the plastic pieces to engage with the heat shield without creating any additional problems by itself. Alright, so after drilling this part and testing the mechanism, okay, everything seems to work. I left one bolt here because 5 is more than enough, okay? But if you want, you can drill this through. So once you've done that, you have to place this back on the bag. To do so, you're gonna need these pieces that were inside the bag, and these pieces too, which is for the top of the bag. So you're gonna put this piece inside, like this, inside of the bag here, with 2 bolts. One thing you have to be careful though, This part is okay. These pieces you can put inside after. It's not really hard. You just push them inside with your finger. Maybe with 2 fingers it's easier, but you know, with one you should be able to do it like so, and it's okay. This, however, you need to do it before putting the plate, and this you can do later because they're attached here. On the top is this part right here, as you can see. You can remove it and attach it later. So here we are. Here is the final result of the bags. As you can see, they both work properly. So you can attach and remove it. Let me show you. You unlock the system and remove the bag, and it comes off, and when you want to put it back, you just open this, put it back on, and it locks. So that is how the bags are holding, and yeah, everything seems to work. The only slight problem is, as you can see, since this doesn't fit really properly because of this, you could try to put another type of spacer here, but it's not really noticeable, especially on this side. This is a little bit inclined like that too, but really it's not that noticeable, so for me it's not much of a problem. I hope you found this video helpful. If you wish to know more about these bags, check Lonerider website. I'll come up with a quick review, first impression video next week, so I'll try them a little bit and tell you what I think about this. Thanks for watching. As always, leave a like, comment, and if you liked the video, subscribe. Thank you so much.